Today, I have an incredible piece of information to share with you. Google is preparing to revolutionize the industry through a groundbreaking API called Gemini. It represents a significant advancement in natural language understanding and generation, comparable to GPT and the powerful T4. Believe me, this is an opportunity you won't want to overlook. Ensure that you stay tuned until the conclusion of the video. Now, let's delve into what Gemini entails. It serves as Google's newest endeavor in the realm of extensive language models, with its expanded form being Generalized Multimodal Intelligence Network. Essentially, Gemini is an incredibly potent AI system capable of simultaneously processing various data types and tasks. This includes text, images, audio, video, 3D models, and graphs, and tasks such as question answering, summarization, translation, captioning, sentiment analysis, and more. Here's the exciting part. Gemini is not limited to a single model. It comprises a comprehensive network of models collaboratively producing exceptional outcomes. Now, let's delve into how Gemini operates. Essentially, Gemini employs a novel architecture that combines two primary components: a multimodal encoder and a multimodal decoder. The encoder's primary role is to convert diverse data types into a shared language that the decoder can comprehend. Subsequently, the decoder assumes control and generates outputs in various modalities, leveraging the encoded inputs and the given task. For instance, if the input is an image and the task is to generate a caption, the encoder will transform the image into a vector that encapsulates its characteristics and significance. Subsequently, the decoder will produce a textual output that describes the image accurately. What distinguishes Gemini and makes it remarkable is its numerous advantages over other large language models like GPT-4. Firstly, Gemini exhibits superior adaptability. It can effortlessly handle diverse data types and tasks without necessitating specialized models or specific fine-tuning procedures. Additionally, Gemini possesses the capability to learn from any domain and dataset, unrestricted by predefined categories or labels. This flexibility sets Gemini apart, allowing it to excel in a wide range of applications. In contrast to models trained on specific domains or tasks, Gemini exhibits remarkable efficiency when handling new and unfamiliar scenarios. It excels in resource utilization, requiring fewer computational resources and memory compared to models that handle multiple modalities independently. Moreover, Gemini employs a distributed training strategy, leveraging multiple devices and servers to accelerate the learning process effectively. These features collectively contribute to Gemini's enhanced efficiency and effectiveness as a large language model. The most remarkable aspect is that Gemini can seamlessly scale up to larger data sets and models while maintaining its exceptional performance and quality. This capability is truly impressive. When assessing a large language model, size and complexity are often evaluated based on its parameter count. Parameters are numerical variables that represent the learned knowledge of the model, enabling it to make predictions and generate text based on the input it receives. In general, a higher number of parameters in a language model provides a greater capacity for learning and generating varied and precise outputs. However, it also necessitates more computational resources and memory for training and utilizing the model. Comparatively, GPT-4 boasts a staggering 1 trillion parameters, which is approximately 6 times larger than GPT-3.5 with its 175 billion parameters. This makes GPT-4 one of the largest language models ever created, specifically for the Gemini project. Google has unveiled 4 size variants for Gemini: Gecko, Otter, Bison, and Unicorn. While the precise parameter counts for each size haven't been disclosed, we can speculate that Unicorn is the largest, likely comparable to or slightly smaller than GPT-4 in terms of parameters. Now, before I provide you with a few examples showcasing Gemini's capabilities, please proceed with what you wanted to mention. I appreciate your input. It's fascinating to note that Gemini offers enhanced interactivity and creativity compared to other language models. It can generate outputs in various modalities based on user preferences, and it has the capability to produce novel and diverse results that go beyond existing data or templates. For instance, Gemini can generate original images or videos based on text descriptions or sketches. It can also create stories or poems inspired by images or audio clips. This versatility opens up exciting possibilities for interactive and imaginative applications. Certainly, Gemini excels in handling tasks that are more diverse and extensive compared to its predecessor, GPT-4. Let me provide you with a few examples. One notable capability of Gemini is multimodal question answering, where questions involve multiple types of data such as text and images. For instance, you can ask a question like, "Who is the author of this book?" while providing both the text description and an accompanying image. Gemini can effectively process this combined input and generate an accurate answer based on the text and visual information provided. Absolutely. Gemini is capable of answering questions like, "What is the name of this animal?" while simultaneously displaying an image of the creature in question. Similarly, when presented with a piece of information comprising various data types, such as text and audio, Gemini can perform multimodal summarization. It can effectively process and analyze the textual and auditory components, synthesizing a concise summary that captures the key points and essential information from the multimodal input. This ability to integrate and summarize diverse data types is a remarkable feature of Gemini. For example, you might want to summarize a podcast episode or a news article by generating a short text summary or an audio summary. Gemini can do all that by putting together its skills in textual and auditory comprehension. A third thing is multimodal translation. This is when you need to translate a piece of information that involves multiple types of data like text and video. Absolutely. Gemini's capabilities extend to multimodal generation as well. Suppose you have a video lecture or a movie trailer that requires subtitles or dubbing in another language. Gemini can accomplish this task by leveraging its skills in both textual and visual translation. It can effectively generate accurate and contextually appropriate subtitles or dubbed versions by combining its abilities to process and translate both the textual and visual elements.